it's time to get ready for school. I get ready for school. I get to school at 8 o'clock. My dad gets to work early. Bye-bye, Daddy. I get on the bus with my backpack. I get tired after school. I get angry when I lose my toy. We get to the airport by car. We get on the train together. They get off the plane and smile.